In this video, I'll show you how to remove yourself as an admin inside your Facebook page. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, open up your Facebook app as you normally would, and then click onto your Facebook page. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to do this. I'm going to click the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to click this down arrow, and then I'm going to click onto my Tutorial Wiz Facebook page. And now, once you're inside here, now what you want to do is come into the menu section here. Once you're inside here, click onto the little gear icon near the top right hand corner of that page there. Once you're inside settings and privacy, you want to click on the magnifying glass, the search on the top right hand corner. And then where it says search settings, we want to type in, and then we want to search for access. And then look down and you want to click onto page access, which is right here. So once you're inside access, you'll see all the different Facebook access, what people have inside of here. So if you've got multiple page admins, they'll be shown here. So as you can see, I am currently an admin of Tutorial Wiz. So now to remove myself as an admin, so if I try and remove myself from my page as an admin, I'll click on the three dots. I've got no options to remove myself as an admin from that Facebook page. So what you need to do is add a different user to be an admin, and then you can remove yourself. So to add a new person to be an admin, go ahead and click on add new. Facebook access means any action you take on as this page, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone who manages it. So what you want to do is click onto next, bottom of that page here. Who should have Facebook access to this page? So you want to search for a new user here to become an admin of that page. So then for demonstration, I'm going to type in Adam. So if I want Adam to be a page admin, what I want to do is click onto his name, click on give access. I'm not going to do this. This is for demonstrations, and then head back here. Once you've done that, you'll have a new admin here. And then you can go ahead and remove yourself as a page admin inside your Facebook page. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.